Oh, and this is the cornbread from HEB. I wanted to try it. First time shopping at HEB, really. So, I wanted to try it out. Oh, it's sizzling over here. Alright. And this is a new microwave cover that I bought today at HEB. So, I'm going to try this out since I have to use a microwave again. And bought another one of these, so brand new. So here's the food here. Cornbread heated up nice in that new microwave cover that I had. Chicken here looks good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Tastes good. Probably cooked a little too much, but hey. That's some good chicken, man. It's delicious. Alright. Test this cornbread, huh? HEB wins. Best homemade in-store cornbread immediately. Better than Whole Foods. Way better than Sprouts. I'm sorry, HEB wins for the cornbread. Wow, so that's a new alternative I can... Wow. That wins. Oh, yeah. It's like, you got Jiffy cornbread homemade that I make, and then this here, man. This is an alternative, like, if I don't have time to make something. It's actually good. And, you know, HEB is Texas-based, so I was curious. There's going to be that southern cornbread, right? This has it. HEB cornbread is the best in-store cornbread in terms of, like, you know, the fresh cooked food that they have out there. Excellent, man. The chicken's good that I just cooked on my new grill. So let me enjoy this food. Look at Brilliant Minds, episode 6. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.